Hello kids, welcome to our channel Education Marathon. Today we will learn daily use English sentences. Let's learn with me. First, let's read a book. Again, let's read a book. Next, clean up your toys. Again, clean up your toys. Next, wash your hands. Again, wash your hands. Next, please sit down. Again, please sit down. Next, it's time to eat. Again, it's time to eat. Next, let's go to the park. Again, let's go to the park. Next, give me a hug. Again, give me a hug. Next, put on your shirt. Again, put on your shirt. Next, put on your shoes. Again, put on your shoes. Next, time to go to bed. Again, time to go to bed. Next, be careful. Again, be careful. Next, let's take a bath. Again, let's take a bath. Next, can I help you? Again, can I help you? Next, brush your teeth. Again, brush your teeth. Next, don't be afraid. Again, don't be afraid. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and like and share with your friends too. Goodbye.